friends, my name is Sarita and I welcome you to my channel Quest or Journey to Simple Life. Today we'll try to understand what's the job market in United States of America. United States of America is considered to be one of the growing countries as far as economy is concerned. As we all know, this year has been very stressful as the pandemic has led to collapse of the job market. Lots of people became jobless in US and the unemployment ratio has really gone high. The total unemployment rate has crossed millions since the time of pandemic and the situation is still not good as the market has still not opened completely. So let's understand what's the current job market in US. United States of America job market is slowly recovering from the losses and the job market is stabilizing, but the unemployment ratio is still high. People have started working, but the job markets are disproportionate. Slowly companies are rehiring their staffs and also opportunities can be seen being posted regularly for new staff. So the US economy is slowly and steadily emerging from the losses that they had to suffer from job recession. So let's check out some jobs that are in high demand in market in US in 2020. Top jobs in demand in 2020 in US are: first is information technology related roles to data scientists, software development, analysts and engineers, etc. Then the jobs related to nurse practitioners are also in demand. Medical and health service managers are also regularly in demand. Finance and accounts, physical therapy assistants, home health and personal care aid, occupational therapy, solar and wind turbine technicians and installers, operation research analysts, and speech language pathologists are in great demand in 2020 in US. Now let's see which skills are high in demand in 2020. Skills like machine learning, robotics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, UX design, people management, data scientist, developers and analysts, blockchain, digital marketing are some of the top 10 skills which are in demand in 2020 in US. Now, as we have seen the top jobs and skills in demand in 2020, it's time we check out some of the best job portals to search the right opportunities. The best job portals in US for job search are: first is Career Builders. Career Builders is one of the amazing job portal and it covers all level jobs from executive to middle to management level. Second is Indeed. Indeed too gives you option to search all kind of jobs and it's also available in the form of app to access jobs from anywhere on the go. Third is Robert Half. On this website you will find lot of opportunities from the companies around the globe for which they work. They have openings which are exclusive and you can find them on their website only. So it's also a great platform to connect employees and employers together. Fourth is Glassdoor. Glassdoor was initially considered for company reviews, but later on it's also started to list jobs, which helps the candidate to apply for jobs and simultaneously review the company details too. Fifth is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social networking site which helps you connect with not only valuable network into your field but also provides you with job search options. Sixth is Next. Next is considered to be one of the best partner networking job sites in US. Seventh is Snagajob. Snagajob is considered to be one of the largest job boards for hourly work hiring. Eighth is Ladders. Ladders focus on job opening for senior level professionals and top management people. Ninth is LinkUp. LinkUp is a job search engine designed to connect the candidates with the companies. On this site, when a candidate wants to apply for a job, he or she is directly routed to company's website. 10th is Google for Jobs. It's not job portal but a search engine which helps you find jobs through various job sources on the go. You just need to filter with appropriate details and it works as a savior, giving you good options on the go. 11th is Dice. Dice is well known for all the technical hiring in IT and technology. It covers most of the technical jobs. 12th is Simply Hired. Simply Hired collects the data through all over web and presents it in front of candidate searching for a specific role so that the candidates don't have to go on multiple sites and he or she can directly apply for multiple jobs at one time and through one place. 13th is US Jobs. It's US based job portal designed to help the candidates through various job postings in the market. So these were some of the best job portals in the US market. Now let's see the cities where you find most number of jobs in US. The list of cities that have highest number of openings in US have been mentioned below, so you just have to check out these all 10 options that I have mentioned city wise where you get a lot of job openings in US. So these are some of the best research that I could do to help people in US get the right kind of opportunities. I hope the set of information provided will help the job seekers in US to analyze and prepare for the right kind of role in future. To stay in the job market, each and everyone need to be up to date with the current skills and technology. So I have mentioned in detail the scope, skills and cities which will help you to grow in better way in 2020. So just go and grab the opportunity at the right time and everything will come into place. I hope this information was helpful. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that it motivates me to create more good content. I have made various videos on the job scope in the market which will help you to get the right career guidance. So would suggest you all to explore the other videos too. Share the YouTube channel link with others too so that it reaches maximum people and someone in need gets benefited. So support the initiative to help students and professionals get the right kind of opportunity. Thank you so much.